guys and girls, and welcome back to easytradingschool.com. Today I'm going to be looking into Soros signal system. This is a system which just came out yesterday. It's called Copy Soros, and there just seems to be like a introductory video, and they have a support if you want to email them with any issues. Now I was able to get into this program. I'm gonna show you everything about this software. Now if you're new to trading signals are basically just hints regarding what direction you should take and which asset you should be trading with. So it's just an indicator. Okay, so I'm just gonna log into this account now, and this is the inside of the Copy Soros software, which just came out yesterday. And all it does, it gives you a bit of news on the left hand side about forex and crypto. So it's two-in-one system. It looks all right, you know. It looks great. Very simple to use. You've got some prices on the top. So it's handy tool to have. Now, okay, these are actually okay. So this is sell signal. Okay. Alright, sell signal. So it gives you your take profit and set loss into pips. Okay, it gives you the time and expiry date. That's the last time that you should be taking that trade. So there's a refresh happening now, so it's just changed to now we've got GBP, JPY. So this is how the system works, and then when you press trade, it takes you to the broker that you connected Copy Soros to. Now if you cannot sign up with that particular broker, or if you already have account that is a different broker, you can use that. But to activate this software, you must be registered with a broker which is connected to this Copy Soros. So all you gotta do is go in your settings and you simply go to the broker. Okay, different brokers connected to them. Now I don't know which ones they are, because depending on your country there's a big list of brokers. So I'm not gonna name any brokers, and I'm not gonna go into my settings as yet. But the thing is, this is what you get, and it's pretty straightforward. So if you want to sign up, go to the link in the description and you can sign up with them. If you have any question, you can email them, or you can email me directly regarding any issues. I might be trading with this pretty soon. I have an account now with them, so I'll give you an update very soon. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next update.